In this video, I'll show you how you can enable or disable keyboard shortcuts in ClickUp. So you can go ahead and disable these or enable them to achieve your goal in ClickUp. If you'll find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so all you need to do is to go to your workspace name up here and click here and then go to settings. Now from settings, head to your account name and click on my settings here. Now this will take you to your settings page. Scroll down until you see preferences. Now under preferences, you can see we have keyboard shortcuts. You're told use keyboard shortcuts to quickly navigate and take action through ClickUp without using your mouse. However, if you want to disable this option, you can go ahead and disable it and it will be disabled. If you want to enable it, you can also toggle this. And each time you make the change, make sure you click on Save Changes for this to be applied. So if you want to enable them, you can do that. And you can see here, we have the keyboard shortcuts that you can use in ClickUp. So that's how you can enable or disable keyboard shortcuts in ClickUp. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.